and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing super well. So for today's video, I'm going to be creating a New Year's Eve look. Now usually for New Year's Eve, I'd create something a little bit more dramatic. That's what I would usually do in past videos, but this year I'm actually going to opt for a little bit more of a natural look. These days I haven't really been enjoying wearing heavy makeup purely because now it's summer here in Australia. It is so hot in Melbourne. As you can see, I am literally sweating. So yeah, heavy makeup has become a little bit uncomfortable to wear in this heat. So I want to create a look that is still kind of glam and flattering for everybody, but just a little bit more on the natural side. Like I just want to use the BB cream. I just want to keep it like warm and light on the eyes. I don't want to go too heavy. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I also feel like people might enjoy wearing something a little bit more natural for New Year's Eve, considering we're just going to be going a little bit crazy. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm just going to jump right into it. Oh yes, and I am wearing a dress currently. It's just off the shoulder and you can't really like see the bottom. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to start off with my skin prep, and today I'm going to be using the Shiseido Ibuki, I don't know how to pronounce it, Quick Fix Mist, and I'm just going to spritz this all over my face and rub it in with my hands. Okay, so as always, I've just prepped my eyes off camera just with my usual concealer and just set that with some powder. I am first going to take the Too Faced Semi-Sweet Chocolate Bar Palette, and I'm taking the shade Peanut Butter. And I'm going to apply this into my crease just to warm that up a little bit. So I really just want to blend out and soften the edges of that eyeshadow. So I'm taking this eyeshadow by ELES Cosmetics, and it's just this really pretty light brown taupey shade, and it's the shade Sand. And I'm just going to take that on with the same brush and just blend out the edges of the eyeshadow that I already applied. This is really just going to soften it and add just a little bit more of a transition. So the next eyeshadow that I'm going to apply is also by ELES, and it is the shade Twig, and it's a little bit more of a darker brown color. And I'm just going to pack this on all over my lid. This is going to create a really beautiful, like deep brown, kind of smoky eye, but a little bit more on the natural side of smoky eye, which I love, and it's my favorite look to wear. So I'm just taking this on a flat blending brush and just packing it onto my lid. I'm picking up the peanut butter shade I used in my crease and just applying that to further blend out those edges of the lid shade that I just applied. I love showing people that you can still go smoky while keeping it natural. I just think like a more natural smoky eye is just so flattering, and it makes everyone's eye color pop. Okay, so next I'm just taking a little bit of butter pecan and coconut cream from the Too Faced palette, and I'm going to use those colors as a brow bone highlight. I'm just going to take those and apply them to my brow bone with just a normal fluffy brush. Okay, so for lashes, I'm literally just going to apply some mascara. So I'm going to use this mascara by ELES, and I'm just going to apply it as I normally would a mascara. It's going to make my lashes really long, really full, and I'm not going to apply any lashes or whatsoever, and I've actually really been loving that lately. I have not been wearing any lashes with my looks, and it's just felt so good. I felt so natural, and yeah. I really love this mascara because at the end of my eyes, I have some really stubborn lashes that literally just droop down, but I find that the brush with this mascara literally lifts them, and it just helps open my eyes so much more, which I absolutely love. So that's the eyes done. Moving on to the skin, I'm taking the ELES Age Defying BB Cream. I'm using the shade Medium, and why I've decided to use a BB cream is because I love the lightweight feeling of a BB cream. Like I love having the right amount of coverage whilst also still being able to see my skin through it. Like it covers my redness and a little bit of my darkness underneath my eyes. Of course, I still have to use a concealer for that. But yeah, it also still looks really natural, and it just still looks like my skin. So I'm just taking that and applying that all over my face with a damp beauty blender. So just to cover a little bit of extra darkness underneath my eyes, I'm taking my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. I'm not applying too much of this. I'm literally just applying just a touch underneath my eyes just to cover my dark circles. So I really want to keep my skin looking really fresh and dewy, so I don't want to powder it too much, but I always have to set my under eyes, otherwise there will be a creasing mess. So I'm taking my Becca Multitasking Perfecting Powder. I'm the shade Light, and I'm just taking my ELES Cosmetics brush, and I'm going to just use that just to powder my under eyes, or just where the creases of my eyes are. Okay, so I've set my under eyes, and I think I just want to smoke out the lower lashes just a little bit, just because I think it looks a little bit bare. So I'm taking a little bit of the ELES Twig shade and just using the same brush that I used on the lid just to smoke out the lower lash line ever so slightly. I'm taking a little bit of the mascara and applying this to my lower lashes as well. For my brows, I'm taking the ELES Brow Blender in the shade Dark Taupe and just using this to lightly fill in my eyebrows. And then I'm just setting my brows in place using my Charlotte Tilbury Brow Gel. So for the rest of my face, I'm taking the ELES Holiday Collection Limited Edition Palette in Summer Days, and I'm first taking the bronzer shade to bronze up my face. I love how easy to control this bronzer is. It literally blends like butter. I like to apply just a little bit and just build up on that, and it literally just looks so perfect. For blush, I'm dipping into the same palette and using the blush shade. Just taking a small amount and applying that to the apples of my cheeks. And then for highlighter, I'm just taking my usual Champagne Pop by Becca and Jaclyn Hill. I'm not applying too much because my skin is already super glowy from the BB cream, so it doesn't need too much highlighter. I'm also applying a little bit of that to the brow bone. For lips, I'm going to keep it very simple. I'm going to lightly line and fill in my lips with MAC Soar Lip Liner. I'm literally sweating so much that I keep getting these little balls of sweat on my top lip. And then on top of that, I'm going in with the ELES Cosmetics Lip Magic, and I love this product. So this is it for the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I love this look. Like, natural makeup has been my jam. This is like a little bit more of a glam version of natural. I mean, I don't have any lashes on and I'm wearing a BB cream and I've kept the contour and everything super light, but I have zhuzhed it up a little bit with a slightly darker, warmer eye. But I love it. This has been my complete jam lately. I haven't really been enjoying wearing super heavy makeup, admittedly. I just love the feel of super natural makeup, and I hope you guys do too. Let me know in the comments down below what type of makeup you're going to be wearing this New Year's, whether you're going to go glam or natural. I would love to know. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I will definitely be seeing you guys before the end of the year. I will have another video up for you guys this week. As chaotic as this week is, I am 100% going to get a video up for you guys because yeah, there's just some things that I want to say to you guys, but I don't know why I got super emotional just then, but there's a lot that I want to say to you guys, and there's a lot that I want to thank you for, because you have given me the best year of my life, and I can say that confidently. Like, this year has been the best year of my life, and I want to thank you guys so much for that. So thank you so much for being here with me this year and every year since I started. I love you guys so incredibly much. Before I end, all product details and descriptions and everything like that will be in the description bar. So yeah, if you did enjoy this video, please give me a massive thumbs up, share this video because that would really help me a lot, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.